The pride of MCT touches the heights within a few moments as our flag unfolds before us. This moment is to be cherished forever in our memory.
As the next time, may I invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. M. Jacob, to hoist the flag.
He has represented the Kerala team in the National State Table Tennis Championship held at Gurgaon in 2004. He has also been representing the Kerala team in the National School Table Tennis for years 2004 and 2005.
Now, Sajin George, silver medalist in Junior National Athletic Meet for pole vault held at Pune. Represented Junior Kerala Volleyball team in National School Games held at Haryana. Champion in National Martial Arts Championship held at Kolkata and also Sports Secretary of Mother College of Technology.
The time has arrived for us to be amidst in the flame of sports. Here is two MCT sportsmen with a torch circling the ground and lighting the flame. Let the flame burn inside our souls forever with the oil of sportsmanship. Let us be prepared for a friendly battle ahead.
കോട്ടൺ വേസ്റ്റ് അത് ഞാൻ വീഡിയോ എടുത്തേ.
The battleground is set. The flame has been lit in our souls. The next step is taking oaths.